Hello, in this video I will be showing you one of the easiest way how to create 3D character and export into Blender. I will be using Character Creator free version, and as you open this software you probably see this screen, something like that. On the left you can find Project tab. In Project tab there is a pack with fully built objects like this girl, this man and other. You just need to click and drag and you will have a 3D model, and you can export into any format that you want. But if you want to create your own model, you can go to character and choose character from this list, just man, woman and other, and try to create by yourself. As you can see, baby gorilla is here. So I think I will be using this model as my man. So first of all, let's try to add some here group, embed here. As you can see, there are a lot of options. Let's try to put some command here on her head. As you can see, it is very simple. Just click left mouse button and drag on the model, and we have beautiful looking here. Also, as you can see, other stuff like low poly here, bead for man, mustache, a lot of amazing stuff. You can try to play with these settings. Okay, let's move on and try to add some clothes. As you can see, also there are some options: shirts, gloves. Okay, let's try to click here, and all the list of clothes are here. Right, so make something interesting. I don't know, let's try to put this dress, okay, or blue one. Okay, white one as well seems looking good. It's nice. As you can see, the underwear clothes are visible, so my recommendations, if you want to reduce the size of file, and also you do not need a lot of clothes here, so just delete them and right now put this dress on. Also, you can reduce the size of body parts. As you can see, I can increase her. Also, I can increase her legs, just triceps, biceps. It's very nice. Face also is changeable. I think, yes, I can drag and try to make different face. Okay, maybe let's try to change her here. It is not Seems like it is not pretty good for this dress. Let's try to make something like, right, something like that. Okay, seems like interesting for me. Just drag and drop, as I said. Very easy way to model. That looks very good. Interesting hairstyle and also the dress. Right, what we are missing, so let's add some shoes here. So it goes to shoes tab or only on this tab and move down, and here we have a lot of shoe models. So I think, okay, this one, let's try to add. Oh, that's pretty nice. All right, back, and I think we have our model. Let's try to rotate and see from other side. It looks very interesting. Yes. All right, and right now we can, I think, export, or if you want to export this model and rig later, go to export FBX. Okay, 2 times all remaining for me because it's free license, and just click mesh, a pose if you want to rig, yes, and also can, I don't know, this is a high poly model, this is low poly model, so it is your choice, because high poly model about 50-100 megabytes I think, and low poly 5 times less I think, so it's your choice, depends on your computer, but let's try to do this in low poly. Also choose blender here, a pose, yes, only mesh because we don't need pose. Number of mesh can try to 1, doesn't matter, and here we can choose 2000, I think enough for us, and press export. Okay, in this folder I have a lot of free models, so let's rename woman interesting, yeah, with dress, yes, white dress, okay, white dress, low poly. Right, let's create this folder, and also again woman with white dress. All right, and just press save. Do we need to wait some time here? I'm right now on my Lenovo i540, so it is not so powerful but decent computer. i5 9th generation and GTX 1660, but I have another laptop. It is with RTX, so I think it depends on computer how it takes to export. Alright, so meanwhile we can, oh, I have another model here, it is also low poly, as you can see. Another girl, but let's try to open a new window and select cube. Also, I have an add-on CC3. It is very easy way to import characters. Just click import character and find character which you want to import, and as you saw in my previous window, can I recover? Let's try recover to save maybe. Can we recover that girl? Yes, we have. And as you can see, this girl has a pose, and right now can handle my mouse, and as you can see, it has a pose. Yes. Let's try to edit mode. No, it can be handled. Focal length. Let's try to do like this. As you can see, that is T-pose, but if I go to object mode, it is like thinking pose, as you can see. So if you want to export this model as T-pose, maybe you have to choose in export settings T-pose. If you want to export it in A-pose, let's back to Blender. Okay, I will show you. Okay, we can use import character add-on. Let's go to woman with shorts. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, also it is in a pose. Do not remember where I put it, my other model. Okay, let's try to, I think, yes. T-pose. I think it is not T-pose, but A-pose should be. Let's try to import. Also, it is T-pose. Right, so T-pose allows you to model this, to rig this model. Just select this model or imager. Go to our imager. Once again, viewport display, and in front. As you can see, right now we have bones. And if you select, alright, in pose tab, select bones, you can rotate and rig this model. That's very nice. If you want to save this rig position, you have to click new button in pose library and press plus button. Also think we need to click on this icon and apply pose library pose. And if I go to object mode, yes, we have this pose. It's very nice. Alright, this model is finished, so let's try to import this model, how it looks in Blender. Just go to alright, I forgot about this add-on. Import once again. Alright, my models and how it was named. Right, Interesting, yes. And try to import this model, and we have T-pose. It looks pretty good for architecture scenes. Not bad at all. Some glitches, but I think we can try to play with textures. Right, some glitches are here, but I don't know exactly. Alright, now what happened? Okay, so pretty good if you add this model and make some position in our architecture scenes. Looks pretty good. Alright, so let's try to export in some pose. If you want to export and to get a pose, click here, and you can see, not here I think. Let's try to back. Expressions, motion and expression, yes. Here you can find a lot of expressions. It will save your time if you just write which is interesting for me. Right, let's try to put this. That looks. It looks very, very well. As you can see, we can rotate like sport position. Okay, let's try to add more common one. Another pose, and a huge library of poses, and everything almost free. Alright, so let's try to, or maybe this pose. Very nice. Okay, let's try to export. Right now I will show you how to export, and only one time remaining for me. Okay, so the last choice, and right now you have to choose mesh and motion to export in this pose, and also current pose you have to choose. Right now I will try maybe high poly model, how it looks. We will compare it. Okay, let's try to make new folder, high poly here, high poly. White dress, white dress, yes, with both. Alright, and try to save. I think it's gonna take a little bit more to export in high poly, but I'm not sure. Alright, so as you can see, it is low poly. Try to wait for high poly model. Also, you can import FBX through here, file, import, and FBX. But yes, you can see I can import another model. Let's try to do this. Right, it looks also good. I think sometimes it is better to import using this free add-on, CC3. Alright, importing is finished, so let's go. Let's try with this add-on. high poly, and let's try to import this character. And let's see how it looks. G, X, X, and shaders compilation right now. And we're gonna see the difference between these models. As you can see, here looks stunning compared to low poly model, yes. Also, all the details pretty good. It looks very nice. Also, no more glitches on the dress, and also shoes look very similar. Also legs are very similar, but I poly much better. Eyes also. So I think if you are using architecture scene and from very far away, so low poly pretty good for you, but if you want to concentrate your 3D model near the building or something where you render not so far, so probably you're gonna choose high poly model, but I think it will cost you render time and also disk space. So that's it, what I wanted to show you. Thank you for watching, and if you find it helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment below, and maybe you know how to fix these glitches with low poly model. Maybe I had to increase resolution size or something like that. I don't know. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.